The emotion, the intensity, the celebration, and whether in the light of day or dark of night, one thing never changes. We're all united with the Mountaineers.
Welcome to the United Bank Playbook with Coach Dana Holgerson.
And we welcome you in, everyone, as West Virginia continues to prepare for Saturday's showdown against the Maryland Terrapins. Every week presents a different challenge to you as a coaching staff and as your players. What do you think the biggest challenge is as you look ahead to this game against Maryland?
Well, they're a good team. You know, they were a good team last year. You know, they proved that when they played us. They got beat by the national champions a week later, got some injuries. Still won a couple of big games towards the end of the year and got to a bowl game. It's all the same guys. You know, their coaching staff has been intact. Their systems have been intact. They got all the returning starters coming back. So just an experienced group that are used to playing in big games, and this is a big game.
How would you characterize what a Randy Edsall football team is? What do you think his MO is?
Oh, it's always been discipline. I mean, he's always been, you know, a stickler for winning the time of possession, for making sure that you win the turnover battle, for winning the field position battle and special teams, and they did all those last year. You know, the field position wasn't even close. They outperformed us in special teams. The turnover battle was not even close. You know, they did a good job of hanging on to the ball and creating turnovers. And then they won the time of possession because they did a good job on third downs and they stayed out there on the field.
You've been at this a long time. Have you ever been in a similar scenario where you're going to play a team in back-to-back years in which that team really got you badly the previous year and then you get another opportunity?
Never to this extent. Never to this extent. I mean, it was a little bit of a beatdown last year, you know. But again, a lot's been made of it. What are you going to do? You're going to use the revenge factor and all that. You know, I don't think any of that's necessary. We're the same team, too. We're the same scheme, same coaching staff, same players. So these guys know what happened. They're going to be motivated to practice and prepare this week. You know, and then if we just play with the same effort and energy and enthusiasm that we've been playing with, it'll put us in a position where we can win.
A year ago, you went into this game. Obviously, Clint Trickett didn't play, and you're just trying, I think, to put your hand that the water would stop pouring out last year, no pun intended, even though it was very rainy. This year, it sounds to me like you're doing more finishing work with your team, and you talked about it in your press conference this week, that you want to see Kevin White not only catch passes, of which he's got 20 through the first, 19 through the first 2 games. You want to see him score. Is that where you're at now, doing the detail work?
Yeah, all 3 sides of the ball last year, we were still teaching guys what to do. The whole year we were teaching guys what to do. The whole offseason and this year and then going into our 3rd game, we're teaching guys how to do things better. So, you know, we got our starters. We know who's going to start. We know who's going to play. We know what our systems are going to be like. It's all about getting guys to do things better in critical situations and improve small technique things that make us an overall better team.
I get an overall sense that everyone is not going, oh my gosh, they got us last year. It's, we want to play. Let's go play these guys. You getting that sense?
Yeah, our guys are fired up to find out that their whole team's coming back. And it's the same systems and all that. It's going to be a big challenge. They're doing a good job. They're winning ball games in their experience. But we're excited about the challenge, and I think our guys are going to come ready to play.
Thanks for the time, Coach.
All right.